Welcome to Sustainably You, where we explore the pressing environmental challenges of our time and the solutions that can make a difference. Today, we dive into the catastrophic wildfires that swept through Los Angeles in 2025, uncovering their profound impact on our ecosystems and what we can do to rebuild and restore. Let's get started. In 2025, Los Angeles experienced one of the most devastating wildfires in its history. Beyond the shocking headlines and dramatic visuals of roaring flames and smoke-filled skies, these fires inflicted profound and lasting damage on the local ecosystem. This video aims to uncover the hidden impacts of this environmental disaster and emphasize the importance of collective action to protect our planet. The fire swept across vast areas, fueled by extreme heat, prolonged drought, and high winds. Entire ecosystems were consumed, leaving charred landscapes where lush forests and vibrant habitats once thrived. The scale of destruction was staggering, with millions of acres burned, countless wildlife species displaced, and entire communities forced to evacuate. In addition to the immediate devastation, the fires released an enormous amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to the already escalating climate crisis. The loss of trees, which act as carbon sinks, further exacerbated this issue, creating a feedback loop that could lead to more frequent and severe wildfires in the future. Wildlife bore the brunt of the fires, with many species losing their homes and food sources overnight. Some animals were able to escape, but others, especially smaller or less mobile species, perished. Those that survived faced a barren and inhospitable environment, struggling to find shelter and sustenance. The destruction of critical habitats also disrupted the delicate balance of the ecosystem, putting additional pressure on species that were already vulnerable or endangered. The fires didn't just affect land animals, aquatic ecosystems were also impacted as ash and debris washed into rivers and streams, polluting water sources and threatening fish and other aquatic life. The soil, too, suffered significant damage. Without the protective cover of vegetation, the topsoil became highly susceptible to erosion. Heavy rains that followed the fires caused further degradation, as loose soil was washed away, clogging waterways and reducing the land's fertility. This loss of fertile soil will make it harder for native plants to recover, potentially allowing invasive species to take hold and alter the landscape permanently. The combination of soil erosion, water pollution, and habitat destruction creates a cascading effect that undermines the resilience of the entire ecosystem. The human impact of these wildfires cannot be overlooked. Communities near the affected areas faced not only the immediate threat of fire but also long-term consequences such as poor air quality, loss of homes, and economic hardship. Many local residents and firefighters shared harrowing stories of survival and resilience, shedding light on the emotional and physical toll of these disasters. These personal accounts remind us that wildfires are not just a natural phenomenon but a human tragedy as well. Despite the immense destruction, there is hope. Restoration efforts are already underway, with reforestation projects, wildlife rehabilitation programs, and initiatives to improve soil health. Advanced technologies are being developed to predict and prevent wildfires, such as satellite monitoring and AI-driven fire management systems. Community-driven efforts, including tree planting campaigns and habitat restoration projects, are helping to rebuild what was lost. These initiatives highlight the power of collective action and the importance of investing in sustainable practices to reduce the risk of future wildfires. As we reflect on the 2025 Los Angeles wildfires, it is crucial to recognize the broader implications of such disasters. They serve as a stark reminder of the urgent need to address climate change and adopt more sustainable ways of living. Each of us has a role to play, whether it's by reducing our carbon footprint, supporting environmental organizations, or spreading awareness about the importance of protecting our planet. The scars left by the 2025 wildfires will take decades to heal, but the resilience of nature and the determination of people offer a glimmer of hope. Together, we can work to restore these damaged ecosystems and prevent future tragedies. By sharing this story and taking action, we can help ensure a healthier, more sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you for watching Sustainably You. The story of the 2025 Los Angeles wildfires is a stark reminder of the fragility of our ecosystems and the urgency of our actions. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that empowers you to live sustainably. Together, we can make a difference. See you in the next video.